and welcome back to my channel. I know you guys love quick, healthy, delicious meals. So today's another one of those amazing recipes. I'm going to make tandoori spiced chicken onion dish. Really straightforward, basic ingredients. Not going to waste any more time. Let's get cooking. So first things first, I'm going to get some chicken and marinate it in some spices. For the marinade, I need some basic spices. So nice big chunk of ginger, and as you can see I am using my chicken board because I'm going to prep the chicken on it. So I thought I can do the veg on it first and then do the chicken. I do have separate boards for both things, just in case you're wondering. Okay, as always, cooking for 4 people, I need good 5 garlic pieces and 2 chilies, and I'm just going to chop all of this up. Now comes the marinade part. So I'm using Greek yogurt. Use natural yogurt or Greek yogurt, whatever you have at home, it's all good. And I am using around 200 grams of Greek yogurt here. I've got the ginger, garlic, green chili chopped up nicely. That goes in. Got a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of chili powder, teaspoon of some homemade garam masala recipe on the channel, and I've also got some tandoori masala. If you don't have tandoori masala, these spices are enough. I have got tandoori masala, so I'm adding some. 2 teaspoons of that goes in, and that's our spices done. Just a good mix of this. As you can see, the mixture is really thick, which is what we are looking for, which is why I'm using Greek yogurt. But like I said, you can use the other yogurt too. Now that this is ready, I'm going to get my chopping board back and prep the chicken. So I have got here from my butcher's some chicken thighs. They were really small. I wanted 8 of them, but as you can see, they are like teeny tiny. So I got enough for 4 of us, so more than 8, but if they're nice and chunky, 8 will be plenty for 4 people. And then I'm going to chop it into strips, so just like a 1 centimeter long strips. I'm going to get rid of the extra fat, tidy up the chicken and cut them into strips. So in here goes all the chopped chicken. Only one way to mix this. So you can let this rest for an hour or overnight, or 10 minutes is what I'm going to do. Actually less than 10 minutes. I'm only going to let it marinate till the time my onions are cooking. But actually if you can do it overnight, that will be amazing. I'm using 2 onions for this, and I am just going to thinly slice these pieces. You can use white, pink, red, whatever onions you might have, they'll all work perfectly. Nice hot pan, and then I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Next I'm going to throw in some whole spices, so 3 to 4 cardamom pods. Reduce the heat so they don't burn. Couple of bay leaves, cinnamon, some cloves, 6 to 8, teaspoon of cumin seeds, onions. Now I want these done really well, so I'm going to give it around 8 minutes on medium heat. Going to keep stirring it. It's been 8 minutes. I've been stirring this throughout and they are looking beautifully golden. I know we've added spices to the chicken, but I'm just going to spice up the onions too. So I've got 1/4 teaspoon salt. I'm going to use 1/2 teaspoon turmeric and 1/4 teaspoon chili powder. And I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, just for some lovely warmth of spices. This is looking wonderful. Now we add the chicken. Don't leave the marinade behind. Now increase the heat. You don't want to cook this on low. Increase the heat because they are boneless, skinless chicken strips. They are not going to take too long to cook. Maybe 10 minutes because I don't want to dry them out either. So I'm going to spread them out, increase the heat, and then not move it for 5 minutes so it gets some color, whatever color I can manage to get. And the yogurt will also release some moisture. Now leave it alone. In that 5 minutes the chicken is cooking, I am going to cut some red onions. I'm looking for 1 onion, and I'm not cutting the head yet. I'm going to peel it, cut them into rings, and then cut off the head. Also need a handful of fresh coriander for this. I will tell you what I'm doing in a second. I am gonna check what's going on here. Oh, beautiful. Perfect. So a quick turn over, and then I can leave it for another 10 minutes. Just open up the rings. Little pinch of salt, a little pinch of chili powder, chopped up coriander, squeeze of lemon juice or lime juice, whatever you have at home, maybe a couple of tablespoons or half a lime or lemon, and then good mix. You need to massage it in and just leave this alone. Let's check on the chicken. So you can see the chicken yogurt has kind of released its moisture. You can see the chicken is nicely charred because we didn't touch it for a few minutes. There is a little bit of oil you can see on top, which all means that the chicken is almost done. Oh, beauty! Oh, I love this. This is all flavor, and this chicken is, I think, cooked. Let me cut one piece and check. Definitely done. You don't want to overcook the chicken thighs. Oh, that is just stunning. Absolutely glorious looking. And that, my friends, is another healthy, delicious 30-minute meal. Just look at that. All you need with this, I would suggest, is some lachha paratha. If you want to go on the healthier side, then go for chapati or roti. This will even go really well with some cumin rice. Oh, I'm so hungry. Or plain rice. Rolled up in chapati with chapati and yogurt on side or some form of raita. It will be delicious. I can't wait. I am going to make some nice parathas. I just happily eat this. I don't need anything with it. It's flavor packed. The chicken is so soft and moist because we haven't dried it out. That's where people make a mistake. With such thin strips, you don't need too much time to cook. I really hope, guys, you're going to try this chicken. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you back here for another new recipe very soon. Bye for now.